Hello, good evening.
Good evening.
My name is Asad Yaqub and I'm going to conduct your IELTS speaking test. What's your name, please?
My name is Adeen.
All right, Adeen, do you work or study?
I study at the moment.
Okay, what are you studying?
I am apparently doing my O levels and I'm more than halfway through my first year.
Okay, let's make a start. How often do you watch movies?
I think I watch movies nearly twice or thrice a week. It depends on the type of movie I find.
All right, so what type of movies you often find entertaining?
I find murder documentaries really entertaining, mostly thrillers and murder documentaries that make you watch it till the end until you haven't finished it. You cannot sit with peace.
Do you watch movies in English or in your local language?
It depends on the type of movie because I really don't have a preference in languages. If it's a good movie, whether it's in my local language or English, I would watch it.
Do you prefer to watch a new movie every time or you watch some old movies again and again as well?
Well, it also depends on the type of movie because mostly I find I don't watch the same movies anymore again and again. I used to watch the same movies in my childhood, but now I just try to find new movies.
Okay, do you like musical movies, movies filled with music and songs and all that?
I think not much because I'm not really a big fan of music, but I like movies that are serious related to murder, so obviously they're not musical.
Okay, why do some people hate watching movies?
I think that is so because they find them as a waste of their time, or perhaps that they're not going to learn anything new from it, and maybe they would put their time into something more practical.
Do you prefer to watch a movie alone on your mobile device or with your friends in the cinema?
I think that too depends on the type of movie because if it's a good movie, if it's a jolly movie, lovely one, I would like to watch it with my friends or even family. But if it's a horror movie or something like a psycho thriller, it just depends on my friends. They don't watch that.
All right, do you watch new movies or old movies as well?
I don't really have a preference whether it's an old movie or new one. If it's good, I'll watch a movie from 1980.
Okay, thank you so much, Adeen. That's the end of your IELTS speaking part 1.
Glad.
For this video, I'll give you 20 cents.
$20.
All the best, guys.
$20.
Thank you so much. We also teach IELTS online all over the world and on campus here in Lahore. If you wish to be the part of my online or on-campus IELTS classes, my WhatsApp number is given. You can contact me for that. Asad Yaqub and
Adeen Asad.
wish you best of luck.
Take care. Allah Hafiz.